South Korea's economy relies heavily on exports, and semiconductors account for around 20% of the total. However, export figures during the last few months paint a rather grim picture for the chip-making industry this year. Our Ko Roon-hee talked to some experts on the market outlook.
In terms of exports, South Korea's New Year has not gotten off to a great start. In the first 20 days of January, exports were down almost 15% on year. According to the Korea Customs Service, it's because of a fall in shipments of semiconductors, which declined almost 30%. The grim situation was reflected in the latest earnings report from the nation's biggest chip makers. For instance, Samsung Electronics' operating profit in the fourth quarter fell almost 40% from the quarter before. As for why the trouble for chip makers, analysts point to two main reasons: lower demand from China and concerns of oversupply. The ongoing trade war with the U.S. has hurt economic growth in China and, in turn, demand for electronics. Plus, China's smartphone market has started to stall. There's also the problem of oversupply. In 2017, companies drastically increased their investment in facilities for making semiconductors, which has resulted in bigger and bigger inventories. And some investors are delaying their purchases, waiting for prices to go down even further. Experts say the situation is likely to improve, though, in the second half of this year.
In the first half of the year, concerns over oversupply are likely to persist and prices will remain low. But during the second half, the peak season returns, and investors who delayed their decisions will buy, leading to an increase in demand.
Others say the situation is likely to get better with developments related to the fourth industrial revolution.
There's 5G, AR, VR, IoT and artificial intelligence. A lot of new technologies expected in the future, but they are currently in their early stages. As time goes by, technological developments in these sectors will occur and demand for memory chips will increase.
Rather than being swayed by a temporary drop in prices, experts recommend that the industry keep developing its highly skilled workforce. Ko Roon-hee, Arirang News.